Finally, Discord released their new update, which is custom Discord stickers. Today we will talk about how to create these stickers and how to add them to your Discord server. And if you need more information about this update, check out their website, link will in the description. First of all, we will talk about how you can create these stickers. If you want to upload other servers' sticker in your own server, you will need Nitro for that, but not Nitro Classic. You will need to have Nitro Boost, which costs $10. If you don't have the Nitro Boost, then you cannot add stickers from other server, but don't worry, I have a solution. Select your favorite emoji and send it in chat, which you want to upload it as a sticker. For example, I will select this one. Now right-click on the emoji, and then click on Save Image. Save this image in your computer. Now go to Server Settings, and go to Sticker, but before uploading the stickers there are some requirements which they need. First, your image format should be PNG, a PNG and Lottie. Second, your image must be 500 KB, not bigger than it. Third, the exact dimension will 320x320 or you will not be able to upload. And the last and important requirement is, your server must be boosted 2 times to unlock this feature and upload stickers. The more level you have, the more stickers you can upload. After completing the requirements, click on Upload Sticker, enter your sticker name which you want to give, click on Browse and upload your emoji as a sticker, enter your related emoji name. For example, I will select Smiley. After that, enter your description and click on Upload button to upload your sticker. Now let's check the sticker in our server. You can see the sticker is uploaded and working fine. Now let's talk about how to create animated sticker for your server. Normally, if you upload any GIF emoji or sticker, then you will get this error because it don't support GIF file. So follow my steps to fix this problem and enjoy animated stickers in your own server. Come to this website from the description, click on the chose file and upload your animated emoji or sticker which you downloaded. You can follow my steps which I showed to download emoji, or you can download from websites. Okay, so click on the upload button to upload your emoji. Once your sticker or emoji is uploaded, click on Convert to a PNG to start converting from GIF file to a PNG. Once your GIF file is converted, click on the Save button to download the PNG image. Now go back to your server settings and upload this PNG image. Again, do the same process like your sticker name, related emoji and description. Once you uploaded the sticker, check it if it's working fine or not. You can see the image is animated and we can easily use it. So this was all for today. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to like the video because it appreciate me to make more videos, and also consider subscribing my channel. It will take a few seconds of you and will help me massively. See you later.